Heads up, we've got another powerful atmospheric river event coming to the Pacific Northwest this week. I'm meteorologist Andrew Markowitz, and here's what you need to know. Last week's atmospheric river event was unfortunately as catastrophic as expected, bringing severe flooding to parts of the Pacific Northwest. And looking ahead to this week, we have a bit of deja vu as we once again have a continuous train of moisture extending from Hawaii to the west coast of the U.S., known as the Pineapple Express. The main reason this is a frequent occurrence so far this winter is because our Pacific jet is more amplified than usual as a result of La Nina. As a result, we will see additional rounds of rain pushing into the Pacific Northwest along with British Columbia and California this week, likely peaking in intensity on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Just like last week, this atmospheric river is expected to peak as a Category 4 in parts of Washington and Oregon and a Category 3 in Northern California and British Columbia. Most will see between 2 and 7 inches of rain, including those near Interstate 5 like Seattle, Portland, and Eugene. This also extends into Northern California, and there could be locally higher amounts in the heaviest banding. One key difference is that this is going to be a colder storm, therefore meaning that snow levels will be lower. As a result, this will be a much bigger snowmaker, and some parts of the Cascades could see several feet. That would be a welcome sight, as much of the West is currently in a severe snowfall drought to start the winter. Additionally, we expect to see stronger winds this time around. Most places will see gale force wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour, which could lead to sporadic outages. So with the amount of moisture that will be coming in, once again, there is potential for significant, if not life-threatening flooding, along with landslides, mudslides, and avalanches. And given that this is on the heels of another major atmospheric river event, this means that we are even more susceptible as the thresholds for flooding are reduced. And to those of you who have been in my comment sections and insist that this is just another rainstorm or that it's overhyped, I implore you to look at the towns in Washington that have been completely cut off from civilization due to the recent flooding. We take every storm seriously, no matter where it hits or who's affected, and I strongly encourage you to heed all weather warnings. For more updates on the storm and other severe weather all around the world, please make sure to follow me on all social media platforms so you can stay weather aware.